Your birthday please.
안녕하세요. 이번에는 조시 생일이어서 케이크를 만들 거예요. 만들어 놓은 걸 샀는데 위에 조그만하게 장식할 거거든요. 다 준비는 됐고 이제 집만 정리하면 될 것 같아요. 내일 우리 조시 생일 파티 재밌게 잘 할 수 있도록 화이팅!
Raise a glass, you've made it another year. Happy birthday, have a laugh, crack a smile, even shed a tear. Because it's your birthday, pop the cork, pour the flute, make a wish, and don't forget to count the candles. Now we celebrate with cheers. Raise your glass to another year.
Should he go and grab it in the snow?
Birthdays are coming.
What? That's a cool cake.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Josh. Happy birthday to you.
Pretty next month.
Oh, welcome to my life.
Bye guys.
Drive safe, guys. All yours.
Yay. One more glass of wine. I feel bad there. I still
Lots back there.
Raise your glass, it's time to have some fun. Happy birthday, yellow.
Do the bulgogi
Bulgogi, you can choose beef or beef.
beef, please. And then we'll get a half order.
I
Originals,
wanna
please.
do spicy.
So a spicy, and then what do you want to do? Honey or twinkle? Twinkle.
Oh, that one's really good.
Twinkle, twinkle. You're going to order in Korean.
The questions I wanted to ask that I couldn't.
Yeah, it's too hard, complicated.
실례합니다.
I don't know about you.
Yeah.
How big are they? Just small. I want.
Raise your glass, it's time to have some fun. Happy birthday, yellow cake for another trip around the sun. Because it's your birthday,